Okay, so I made it to Vidcon. Apparently, because you make videos on YouTube, it makes you a YouTuber. I'm not convinced yet. So today I'm going to find out what it takes to be a YouTuber. Yes, I make videos. Doesn't make me a YouTuber though. And I'm going to see what the place is all about. So join me on this journey.
And I saw this sketch where I think James called it.
And so that's what I really do is my life, because in the last one support has been shown again and again and again, and even when it is like a relatively small donation, like a dollar or a pound or whatever.
Hey, so if I'm to make this YouTube work, so far it's just been a hobby, and so far I have been enjoying making the videos. I thought maybe this would be useful. So what have I done so far? Well, I've said that word a lot. I've gone to see how monetization works. You might notice sometimes adverts come up on YouTube videos before, after and during. That's monetization. That's YouTube paying the YouTuber possibly less than 1 cent every time that comes up. It averages about $5 per 1,000 views, at least on my channel. Some channels get more, some channels get less. So you can see by the view count on this video roughly how much I would have made from this video. So if it's about 1,000 views, maybe at $5, massive money. Enough to pay for this coffee maybe. Although this coffee was free, one of the perks of being here. So it's just sat outside at the moment. I'm going to go back in, take in a little bit more conference, and just enjoy and try and learn from
Every single person in here, with the exceptions of some niches,
up with some flashing light. I could be in there, I could be at the classic car show, normally a little bit more my scene. But I'm trying to educate myself today, take in a little bit of the YouTubers. I have to admit the downstairs is a little bit tedious. There's a lot of tweenies running about. Thankfully it's split up. There's a creator area and there's a normal YouTube area. Just filtered into the creator area. Insights into what makes a good thumbnail, insights into Instagram. I don't really use it that much, as you know. Just various bits of insight. So I'm learning. Slightly annoying. I wanted to attend the Google SEO's search engine optimization. That stands for. They put it on in the smallest room. Obviously had the most number of people trying to attend, and look right behind me. It's a massive room, empty. They could have put it on in there. So slightly bad organisation by the Vidcon people. Celebi, what are you going to do?
I think it's a really cool thing about GoPro videos.
Yeah, that was cool. Balance it for a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Hey, so a fairly interesting day. I got to learn about thumbnails. Those are those things that you persuade you to click on the videos. Very important. Apparently yellow's a very important colour. Something to take away from this. I'm going to hopefully have a couple of drinks and then I'll head back home. Did I care for the YouTubers that were here? No, but it was interesting seeing the reactions from a lot of people. I have to admit I didn't know any of them. Followed a few new people, so hello there. Maybe they're still following me, I'm not sure. But yeah, an interesting day here at the XL. First VidCon I've ever been to. I think it's the first VidCon in London. I know there's been it's probably been about 7 or 10 in the US, at least 7 I know. So this was VidCon. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, this is not one of my usual videos. I'm normally doing traveling. If you want to keep up to date with that, click on the subscribe button. Somewhere around here. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's there. Who knows where it's going to be this time. Till next time. Okay, so I just had a few drinks. Probably the best way to sort of end VidCon on. 3 drinks are always the best drinks. I met some nice people, a lot of aspiring YouTubers. If I saw you there, say hello. Good to meet everyone. And yeah, possibly, if you're an aspiring YouTuber and you're looking for advice, this could be the place to go. Until then, speak later. Cheers.